Hey guys, it's me, Ready the Yeti. Welcome back to the channel today. So today we went to GameStop and we got this Mega Kangaskan EX box with 4 card packs, the Mega Evolution card itself, and the Mega Holographic Mega Evolution card. So we're gonna unbox all these cards, and we got this singular card along with it. So I'm gonna show you this in a minute to get a bit closer look. But anyways, thanks for clicking on our video, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so first let me show you this card. It's a Tyranitar EX Scarlet and Violet Prismatic Evolutions, 340 HP. It does 150 damage, and its other attack does 50 times, and it does more for each energy attached to it. Its weakness is grass type ×2. It doesn't have a resistance, and its retreat is 3 stars. So here's that card right here. As you can see, zoomed in a little bit, it's a very nice card. We got it for $5.99. Actually, make that $5.69 since we were pro members at GameStop. But we actually got $5 off, so it was really 69 cents for that. But anyways, let's get to the big pack here. Alright, let's unbox this thing here. I'm gonna slice it open on the side. And we'll pull this open, and voila, here's the pack itself. So you see you have 4 packs here, on both two on both sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4 Mega Evolution packs. And you have the holographic Mega, of course, and the regular size card. So let's go ahead and get into this. Alright, so first we have to get this card out, the regular size here. This is a little tough to get out. Alright, here we go. So here's that right there, that sweet Mega Kangaskan EX. And here's the Mega Holographic version of that. Very nice. It's very holographic. Not even, just the picture isn't holographic, like the whole card. Alright, so now we have the Tyranitar pack. Has Tyranitar on it, of course. I mean, not Tyranitar, Kangaskan, my bad. It has 10 additional game cards inside, so let's open that up. Alright, this might take a minute. Alright, so since I can't get the packs open on myself, that's why you have these tools here. So let's carefully cut this pack right here on the top. Wow, I didn't cut it far enough down. Alright, what more should do? Yes. Alright, so first, let's take out all the cards. So, okay, got some pretty good cards here. Let's look at them closely. So, we have Young Goose here. This trainer, it says it's rare candy. I'm not sure how to pronounce this name. Comment down below if you know how to pronounce this name. Ice Cube? Yeah, Ice Cube, I think. It's a penguin with Ice Cube on its head. But anyways, I got Bayleaf right here. I got another trainer, Boss's Orders. And here's Stone Joiner, whatever. I can't pronounce it, I don't think. Oh look, there's a silly puppy down there. Alright, now I got Crawdunt, whatever. I got Nuzleaf. Next up is Sandshrew. Hariyama, an energy, and the code card here for Pokemon Life. Alright, so I've cut the next pack off camera. It's Scarlet and Violet Destined Rivals pack with 10 cards as well as the last one. Anyways, so alright, I got all 10 cards here. So first we got Ponyta, Marnie Scraggy. My silly dog's running around in the backyard. We got Mudbray here. Breloom. Spike Muffedrim is a gym, it's trainer. I got Mudsdale, who evolves from Mudbray here. Now I got Team Rocket's Orbeetle. I got Team Rocket's Nidoran. I can't say that correctly. Don't think I am, at least. Alright. Next we got Electabuzz. Oh! Next we got a 230 HP Ethan's Ho-Oh EX. That is awesome. I just pulled that out of a Scarlet and Violet pack. Anyway, I don't even have that card. That's cool. I have a lot of Ho-Hos, actually. And here's the energy and the code card. Okay, that's 2 packs done. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the next pack here. That last pack was awesome. Awesome. Okay, let me pick up that back there real quick. So first we got Nincada. We got Knackley. We got a Mantine, which is my 3rd favorite Pokemon. We got Pachirisu. We got Gumshoes. We got Tinkaton here. We got Shiftry. That's about my 5th Shiftry of this exact type. Exact card. We got Acarola's Mischief, who's a trainer. And we got Volcroyan, 130. We got another Mega Evolution out of the pack, 340 HP Mega Camerupt EX here. That is the 2nd one out of here. It's my 3rd ever Mega Evolution. And there's the energy and the code card. Wow. Alright, so we got a final pack here. It says Scarlet and Violet Destined Rivals. The past pack that I had of these was very good. That's the one I got Ethan's Ho-Oh inside. Okay, let's see. It's hard to get these cards out. Alright, let's see. Looking good. Alright. I got Pineco, I'm not sure. Looks like a pine cone. Clam Pearl. A multiple of Ponyta. Another multiple of Marnie Scraggy. Now I got Team Rocket's Giovanni. I'm not sure how to say that. Cynthia's Spiritomb here. Fortress. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Alright, Shaman. Misty's Magikarp. And Cynthia's Roserade. The energy and the code card. So those were some really good cards that we got out of these packs today. I'm sure you're all wishing you had all these cards. If you're a Pokemon fan, anyways. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.